Apply all modifier. Add sunlight. Open render properties. Open color management. Change view transform to standard. Open shading editor. Pause video and copy my sunlight setting. Select object. Press new button. Add converter. Add color ramp node. Color ramp connect to base color. Select black color plug. Set position 0.997. Select 1. Set position 0.939. Add converter. Select vector math node. Add change to dot product. Click add input. Add bevel node. Add input. Add geometry node. Bevel normal connect to vector. Geometry normal connect to vector. Value connect to factor. Add color. Add mix RGB node. Mix type change to screen. Change color what you want. Color ramp connect to emission strength. Emission color match to rock color. Color ramp is a control for rock cavity. Adjust the cavity according to your mood. Your rock cavity is ready, enjoy.